That's the water plant. In this case, in the middle of a cornfield, literally. It's not always the case. We talked about wastewater plants in our last one of our videos, and they're usually by rivers and in obscure places. Water plants can actually be built just about anywhere you want. Resident kitty cat there. Look at that. Hello,
little friend. Cat. That's the plant superintendent right there.
The mascot?
Yep.
Cool, very cool. So we finally made it to the wastewater plant. Water plants, Donnie just corrected me. You remember Donnie from one of our other videos. So we're stepping into his filter room. Calvin and I are here. Well, I can't zoom out anymore, but these are his filters. We're getting a little ahead of the game, so we'll keep walking here. So hey Donnie, so where do the wells come in at? Let's start just like we did on the wastewater plant. Let's go from start to finish here. So right here's where the water comes in. And so we should be able to talk about where it's coming from, the well sites, in a separate video. Once those wells pump it into here, safety first. This is where the chlorine is injected. I'm not sure you can hear me, so we'll do some editing later. That's the chlorine injection system. Key to all plants is chlorine. I'm okay to close that, aren't I? So you got two chlorinators there, right?
Yeah.
Inside there?
A pre and a post.
You got a pre and a post chlorinator. And that's aqueous or is that gaseous? Gas or
That's the cylinders.
Gas cylinders, all right. You gotta show those at some point. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at that for sure. These are chlorine cylinders, and 150-pound cylinders, great. And you feed that into the water both before and after treatment,
and post-treatment.
which is, you said pre-treatment?
Yep, pre-treatment.
Before filters?
Before filters.
Post-treatment?
After, before it goes out.
After. So it comes from the chlorine, the water comes here, has a little chlorine in it.
Yep, it goes through the filters.
So in this case, the green pipe is the raw water coming into these, which are Lennox pressure, iron, manganese removal. Is that the same as green sand?
Yeah,
But not?
Lennox has their own filter material.
Oh, okay. So you're saying different filter manufacturers have different filter media?
I know they do. They're the Lennox.
They do?
They
All right. There sure are a lot of valves associated with those filters.
Yeah.
So you have 4 filters here, right?
Correct.
Okay. And so, why don't you go through, why do we have valves on filters versus just water in, water out?
Well, you have the inlet valves. And
Okay.
then you have the backwash valves.
Okay, where's the effluent valve? It's on the other
Yeah,
side?
it's on the other side.
So influence is stuff that's coming in,
Correct. That's the green line.
and
on the
effluence
back-
is stuff that goes out.
Correct. Then
And-
you backwash. We backwash once a day.
So
In the
that,
filter. That's
so-
the tan line.
this line right here is the backwash line.
Correct.
You wash how long often?
Once a day.
Once a day you wash these filters,
Yes.
and what does that washing do?
Cleans the material out.
much like a swimming pool. Anybody that has a
Yep,
swimming pool, you
remove
got
all the iron
backwash.
manganese.
You have a sand filter on your swimming pool. These are just large swimming pool filters, right?
And each filter is 500,000 days. We can produce 2 million a day with these.
So each
filters.
filter is 500,000 gallons per day before you have to backwash it. So with the 4 of them, they can produce 2 million gallons a day, and that works well for them. So that's the backwash stuff. So that basically is taking the, actually they'll use clean water, which we'll show you here in a minute, come back up through the filters, again, just like your swimming pool.
Backwash tank. That's where all when you backwash, that's where it goes.
So once that backwash goes into this tank and then you do more with it, right?
Yep, and we slowly release it to the wastewater treatment plant.
So then they slowly release it to the other plant, their wastewater treatment plant. Excellent. So that's the filter. Water comes in, water goes out. They backwash them periodically. So most of it's automated, which is where we come in. And this is a screen that allows them to actually operate the valves if they have to manually, or start a backwash sequence. It also gives them a little bit of information about what's going on in the rest of their plant. You can see these are overriding buttons. They're all in auto at the moment, which means, but if they had to wash these because something was going wrong with their automation, they could do that as well. So they wouldn't be shut down in operation. Now we're on the other side of the filter, and you can see this big line here that says effluent, which means outgoing. And so once the water is filtered, and you can see it comes from the bottom of it, so the water enters the top and comes out the bottom after it goes through the sand, and then it goes down this pipe. And from here, we go to the clear well, which is actually outside.